Today I'm going to share a demonstration using SAS visual statistics to build a decision tree using digital clickstream data. In this demo, we'll identify important attributes that are related to whether a customer wants to download a white paper from a high-tech company's website. Let's take a look. The first thing we want to do is build a correlation matrix with several measurements to see which ones are correlated with our target. We'll drag the variables regarding duration into the visualization pane. Next, we'll search on the word interest and drag the measurements around the interest flags into the pane as well. Finally, we'll drag our target in. The software quickly builds a correlation matrix, and we can see that people who are active less than 10 seconds are moderately correlated negatively with white paper download, and people who are interested in storage are moderately correlated positively with white paper downloads. Now let's say we want to build a decision tree model for white paper downloads using these two variables. With both of them selected, we simply click into the expanded menu, choose Launch, and then select Decision Tree. The software quickly builds a decision tree and puts it on another page of the report. Now we can add more variables and make other changes. The first change we need to make is to create our partition variable so that we can use training and validation datasets. Next, let's add the rest of the duration variables and then add our interest indicators. Lastly, we'll add continent. The variable importance plot shows that storage interest indicator is by far the most important variable in predicting white paper downloads, followed by Internet of Things interest and active less than 10 seconds, while continent, mobile and wireless interest, and database interest are not important at all. Let's remove them from our model. We simply move to the right-click on the one we want to delete, and choose Remove. Notice that each time we do this, Visual Statistics is creating a new decision tree. For those that want to go deeper, you can also enter interactive mode and prune the decision tree yourself. Simply click on the expanded menu, choose interactive mode. Now we can click on a node, right-click, and choose Prune. To grow the tree, we choose a node, right-click, and choose Split Best. To let the decision tree grow on its own, right-click and choose Grow. Then select which variables you would like to include in the growth plan. To exit interactive mode, click on the expanded menu and choose Exit. When we exit without saving, the decision tree reverts back to its original state. If you would like to derive a leaf ID variable, click on the expanded menu and select Derive Leaf ID. To put your model into production, choose Export Model. This produces SAS score code that you can export and save. In this demo, we showed you how to build a decision tree for digital marketing and website personalization. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.